On October 25, 2018, Belgian Defense Minister Steven Vandeput formally announced that Belgium will go with Lockheed Martin's F-35A Joint Strike Fighter. The deal will be worth about $4 billion, though the exact details are not available. Mr. Vandeput said that Lockheed Martin's offer was around $684.5 million less than what his government had budgeted, but did not confirm the total figure. The F-35s will replace the country's F-16 fleet. Deliveries are expected to start in 2023. This marks a major victory for F-35 program, and Lockheed Martin, as it now, has its 13th customer. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes Belgium's decision to buy 34 F-35A. Let's get started. Belgium's Air Force has 50 F-16 Viper fighter jets. The F-16s were originally purchased in the 1980s and were later upgraded to F-16 AM/BM Block 20 MLU standard in the early 2000s. Belgian defense analysts came to the conclusion that these will reach the end of life by 2028. Belgian authorities decided not to upgrade the F-16 in order to extend their life cycle and instead go for a new fighter jet. In June of 2014, Belgian Defense Air Combat Capability Successor Program was launched to find a replacement. Initially, it was decided to buy 40 aircraft instead of the current 34. The main competitor in the fray was Eurofighter Typhoon from European Consortium, which includes Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. Boeing and Saab had backed out of the competition earlier. Boeing had reservations about the terms of the competition, whereas Saab was not interested in providing elaborate after-sales support. France's Dassault had considered making a bid but ultimately did not. As per reports, an informal offer to purchase Rafale fighter jets was made. Belgian defense minister told reporters that F-35A came up on top of the 7 parameters laid out by the country. Though he didn't elaborate on all the factors, pricing was mentioned. Viewers may note that F-35A's unit price falls below $90 million for the first time after Pentagon signed a deal with Lockheed Martin for 141 more F-35s in September 2018. Each fourth-generation Eurofighter Typhoon costs more than $100 million apiece. There are many reasons that make F-35A a good choice for Belgium other than pricing factor. 1. The 5th-generation F-35A wins over 4th-generation fighter in the aspect of stealth. This will help the Belgian Air Force to penetrate deep into enemy territory. 2. F-35s are being deployed by 6 more NATO nations, and Lockheed is working to establish depot-level maintenance and assembly facilities in Europe. This will enable very good after-sales support. 3. Lockheed Martin has indicated that it's offered significant industrial cooperation opportunities to the Belgians. This will go a long way to offset the F-35's purchase and maintenance costs. 4. The last but not the least important aspect is nuke delivery. As per reports, America has around 20 B-61 nuclear gravity bombs at the Belgian Air Components base in Kleinbrogel. In case of any eventualities, U.S. military would provide these to Belgian Air Force, who could then use them in a raid. Belgium's current crop of F-16 has the equipment necessary for this role and are certified as B-61 delivery platform. F-35A will eventually be capable to fly with B-61, but this is not the case with other competing fighters, including the Typhoon. The B-61 nuke is a powerful deterrent. The bomb's exact power remained classified, though some reports indicate it has a maximum yield of approximately 50 kilotons. The destructive power can be gauged by the fact that Hiroshima's Little Boy bomb had a yield of 13 to 18 kilotons, whereas Nagasaki's Fat Man bomb had a yield of 20 to 22 kilotons of TNT.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.